flies when you're flying through space. I can't believe it's been so long since we left Earth. I'm Bepi, and together with Mio and our robot friend MTM, we are traveling to the mysterious planet Mercury. Once we arrive, Mio and I will use all our tools and training to investigate the little planet. We will be the first mission to study Mercury with 2 spacecraft at the same time. It's one of the least explored planets in the solar system, so there are lots of questions we can't answer yet. Like, what is it made of? Does it have water? And how does its magnetic field work? We're not there yet, but we've learned a lot as we looped around the Sun and flew past Earth, Venus twice, and Mercury 6 times. So much has happened. Let's rewind. 2 years after our launch, we flew past Earth one last time. We were excited to test our science instruments. We can't use them all yet because we're stacked on top of each other, but we didn't let that stop us. MTM snapped photos of Earth. Mio and I both measured Earth's magnetic field. And I tracked changes in our movement as we passed through Earth's shadow. We then flew past Venus, twice in 1 year. We teamed up with other spacecraft to study the hot planet together. Konnichiwa, Akatsuki! Hi, Solar Orbiter! This was our first time seeing a different planet, and we couldn't wait to compare it to Mercury. Soon after, we got our first close-up views of mysterious Mercury. MTM took photos, and guess what? Mercury looks just like the Moon. I also sensed wind from the Sun hitting Mercury's protective magnetic field. Mercury is really close to the Sun, so the solar wind is much stronger here than near Earth. We visited Mercury again, and then again, and mapped out Mercury's magnetic field. It looked different each time we flew past. As our journey continued, we were spending more time close to the Sun. The heat, wind, and radiation can be intense. But then, something went wrong. MTM's solar panels gave less power than its electric engines needed. Our team managed to understand the problem quickly. We needed to change our route. We'll arrive at Mercury later than expected, but everyone is safe, and our journey continues. Our 4th flight past Mercury was the closest one by any spacecraft ever. MTM snapped our best photos yet. Three months later, we recorded a unique heat map of Mercury. And in our last flight past the planet, we looked into craters never touched by sunlight. If there is water on Mercury, this is where it would be. The trip so far has been incredible, and we're counting down the days until we arrive back at Mercury to stay. MTM is guiding us on a few more loops around the Sun. Mio and I will then fly on our own, going into our orbits around Mercury so we can study the mysterious planet together. We're ready. Are you?